This knuckle has been on a vehicle for 100,000 miles. The same with the hub unit. They're basically welded together. How do you get them apart? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by BCA Bearings, the #1 supplier of OE quality hub assemblies. Visit thebcahub.com for more information.
We've got the toughest job when it comes to wheel-in service right here. The aluminum knuckle and the hub unit. These have basically welded themselves together because they're two different metals. Getting these two apart can be very difficult. The main thing that you don't want to do is start going crazy with a very heavy hammer and damaging the aluminum knuckle. Also, you don't want to go nuts with a torch that could damage the knuckle itself and the ball joint that's back here. Next, an air hammer is a huge help, but you should be using it the right way. You don't want to try to wedge it in between the knuckle and the hub unit. What you want to do is use the air hammer to rotate the hub unit inside the knuckle. This breaks up the corrosion and then it comes loose. Last but not least is an induction heater. This actually uses magnetism to heat up the hub unit to interact with the corrosion between the two components, so maybe the penetrant can get in there and help break up that corrosion. If you act more like a surgeon and less like a butcher, removing a hub unit, you're going to save the knuckle, save the ball joint and other components on the front suspension. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.